ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ ಭಾಗದ ಸೋನಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಳಿ ನೂತನ ಶಾಖೆಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಬಿಟಿಎಂ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಶಾಸಕ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಲಿಂಗಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ.
No, morning. I was free. Race is the general secretary camp. Kathias stand
study abroad. Like who wants to study from Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Germany, all the countries we do. Then we are doing permanent residency visa for Australia and Canada. Study abroad is main our
ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
foreign
ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ
ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ
ಇವ್ರೇನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಮ್ದು ಕನ್ನಡ is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಕೋರಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಣುಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಅನೂಪ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಬು ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬೆಡ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು. ಅವರಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಚೇರಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುವಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಚೇರಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರೋ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಶುಲ್ಕ ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಚೇರಿಯಿಂದ ರೇಣುಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಅನೂಪ್ ಅವರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಕಚೇರಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ.
This is today this Godspeed Immigration Center was been started in Koramangala, Bangalore, in near Sony Signal, which was inaugurated by Sri Ramalinga Reddy, ex-Home Minister and the area MLA, and it was very great occasion. This will be added helpful for the people of this local area to go into the immigration to other countries where they have a desire to study, and these people will assist from here, and they also assist them to write in exams in IELTS to say entrance exam for the if the children wants to go to the foreign people. It is very useful for the people who doesn't have a connections over there in the abroad country. These people as a facilitator in between that foreign country and this country, these things and all, it will be useful, these things. And this entire area people of our Bangalore people can make use of this. They have already working in 2 branches from last 6 years in Kerala and Cochin, 2 branches. This is another new branch they have started. for the helpful of Koramangala people and the college people. Let them use these facilities. This is near the Sony Signal, and the people, this is started by Renuka. She is running this show, this thing, and Anup husband is a family business, this thing, and a lot of staff people are there to assist them, this thing. I hope this will take a great height, these things. It's very convenient for the people of this area, and it will be good, helpful for the public, and as well as this company to grow in the further to start more branches, more than 10 branches. It's already this a third branch. These things we expecting within 2-3 years to open up for other places. Good luck for the people.
Speed immigration inaugurated by 25th 10 2021 Sri Ramalinga Reddy sir, MLA, ex Home Minister of Karnataka. He graced the occasion and blessed our Bangalore branch. We have office over there in Kerala, Cochin, Kottayam, Australia and Canada. So now we have started our office at Koramangala Soniwat Signal. We are doing study abroad visas, permanent residency visas. We have done more than 1000 plus applications successfully for study abroad. We are doing Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Germany, as well as we are doing for Schengen countries, and we are doing Italy as well. So if anyone wants to go for study abroad, or else anyone wants to migrate to Australia or Canada, please come down, visit our office. Thank you.
Today, we had our ex-minister MLA of BTM layout constituency and the working president of Karnataka Congress committee inaugurated our office here in Bangalore. It gives immense pleasure to make our presence here in Bangalore, having got offices in Kerala, 2 branches. This is another feather in our cap. We are looking forward to open more branches. All this would have been possible with our strong team that we have, be it process department or be it consultants. We have a strong team. We have our MARA agents, we have ICCRC agents working for us. If you are expecting a smooth process of your PR or student visa, this is our destination. Please do visit us.